Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Mumu token. Name of the token, MUMU, and that is also the ticker symbol. This token was in the top gainer section today and yesterday. One of the viewers, shout out to you, sir, I forget your name, but you are awesome, said go check out this token and do a video on it, do a review. So here we are reviewing the Mumu token. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Mumu token. So mumucoin.finance is their official webpage. This token is actually up 206% right now, doing very well today again. There is one huge warning, though, at the top of the CoinMarketCap page that everybody should be aware of before even thinking about getting this token. It says, according to Gopless Labs, the smart contract of the following asset can be modified by the contract creator. For example, disable selling, change fees, mint new tokens, or transfer tokens. Please exercise caution before taking any action and do your own research. So, when there's warnings like that, it doesn't always mean like 100% that this token is going to be a scam, but it definitely has a huge possibility that this token could be a scam. So be aware of that. They can scam you easily by just disabling selling. Change the fees super high. Mint a whole bunch of new tokens. All that type of stuff. You can get scammed. You can get rug pulled. You can get stuck in a honeypot. All that type of stuff. So thoroughly do your own research before even thinking about getting this token because of that big warning there. Now, they do have an Etherscan here on CoinMarketCap along with their webpage. They also have a Twitter, Telegram, GitHub, price chart, and contract address. This token is actually on 11,037 people's watch list on CoinMarketCap. So this is a very popular token, but they only have 1,025 holders so far, 18 decimal places. And a max total supply here of that is 1 quadrillion tokens. That is a definite meme number of tokens right there. So they do have a full white paper available on their webpage. If you go over to mumucoin.finance, they have the Mumu paper. They also have a button to buy Mumu. It'll take you right over to Uniswap. So how you get this token, since it's an Ethereum token, is you'd simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, trade your Ethereum for the Mumu token using the contract address that you can find on their webpage or their white paper or their Etherscan or CoinMarketCap. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. You probably will not have to set slippage because it says 0% tax. And it says LP is burned and contract has been renounced. Just be aware that there is going to be a little bit of network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap as well. Now, they do have a how to buy section here. It'll show you how to do that on their webpage. It says open Uniswap, shows you how to do it. You can also get it off Flu's Trade or 1inch, and they have links to that on their webpage as well, but it says recommended Uniswap, the most popular decentralized exchange for Ethereum. If you want to find their white paper, mumu-whitepaper.gitbook.io. So, they have the story of Mumu. Mumu is known as the mascot of what call many the bull market. So it is a bull, and of course that is the sound that it makes is Mumu, so that's its name. Mumu the bull is forever in battle with the bears and other common businesses and finance memes such as a poo to dominate and control market sentiments and direction. Mumu has complete control over the market in 2021 and made his return back to the spring in 2023. Mumu's goal is to take the market from his rival Bobo the bear, who has had control for nearly 2 years. Mumu likes green tendies, aka candles, and not the red ones that Bobo brings. This spring, Mumu will retake control of the market from his rival Bobo and bring eternal happiness to Pepe. So the Mumu token is a decentralized cryptocurrency ran by a strong community of bulls. Taxes on every buy and sell are 0%, enforcing a true decentralized finance community environment. As the bulls run free, gathering fellow like-minded holders along the way, Mumu is very controlling and determined. When he starts to take over, his tyrannical force is unmatched. The Mumu token provides a safe DeFi community platform which is powered by several useful utilities. Read about the full Mumu ecosystem below and join the community through the links posted in the information section. Now they do have a swap, so they have the Mumu swap where crypto traders can exchange their favorite Ethereum-based tokens. Low fees, trustable swap, complementing the entire ecosystem. 24/7 support. ERC20 tokens are based, and they also have the Mumu pad. So if you know what a launch pad is, just like Pink Sale, where they're going to launch new projects for pre-sale, you'll be able to get them on there. They have the Mumu NFTs, so you can join the NFT community and mint a Mumu NFT, the iconic Mumu meme NFTs. And it says they will be released in May 2023, so it should be around very shortly, if not now. Mumu Banks. So this has the ability to generate income, continuously redistributing them to holders. So they're going to have staking pools and NFT farming pools in the Mumu Bank. And so then they have staking, where you could stake the token and earn a high annual percentage yield in the staking pools. They have NFT farming, which I just mentioned. They go over that more in detail on their white paper. Now, 1 quadrillion tokens, 95% of those tokens go to initial liquidity, 5% reserved for token staking and central exchange listings. Pretty straightforward. And then they have links to their liquidity burn address here, their Etherscan. You can check that out. You can check out their socials. Their Telegram is at Mumu_coin, and their Twitter is also at Mumu_coin. Check it all out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section what do you guys think about this token. Be aware of that giant warning there at the top of the CoinMarketCap page there. It can be very sketchy when there's big warnings like that, so thoroughly do your own research, all right? Do not get rugged. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And yeah, check out all the referral codes down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.